our application about booking and payment parking. So for the abstract of our presentation is that this application allows you to search for available parking spaces in real time and displaying details about each vehicle and location. And you can even reserve a place in advance, ensuring a stress-free arrival with our application. And our systems integrate secure payment options such as debit cards and QRIS. And yeah.
Okay, so for now we have an introduction. For introduction, first point we have background. So this background is introduce of digital technologies for smart parking solution to have become increasingly popular. These technologies simplify the process of reserving and paying for parking spot by utilizing automated systems, smartphone application, and sensor. These developments are intended to increase overall management effectiveness, maximize space usage, and improve user confidence. Next point is problem statement. So here is an experience when trying to find available parking space, like revenue loss where manual operation and improper tracking result in errors and revenue leakage for parking companies and governments, and adverse environmental effects with prolonged search for parking, increasing traffic congestion and emissions. Next point is a proposed solution. And to address this challenge, the implementation of a comprehensive digital parking management system is proposed, encompassing key features such as online booking and automated payment. The system will include a mobile application and web platform that allow users to view real-time availability of parking space and reserve spot in advance.
Next, I will explain about the literature review. According to the literature, reservation and payment system for parking management have a lot of over in term effectiveness, user friendliness, and sustainability for environment. Their widespread adoption and effectiveness will depend on solving implementation obstacle and utilizing emerging technology. And the third part, we will discuss about the research method. The first one is about the user research. Together this one, we need the pain point of every user. We conclude all the series survey and interview with driver around the area. Then the driver, we will ask about their experience with the booking and the payment process that they have used before. And the second one is the design process. Based on the result of user research, we have created the first mock-up using Figma, and the prototype we have improved through the feedback session with the user or the driver. And the third one is about the usability testing. It was conducted with different group of participants, including the driver. Task scenario include tasks such as booking parking spot and payment.
Okay, so here we are next to the result and discussion. And I'm going to read the A point first. There is a step one, understanding the user. So there is a demographic, goals, motivation, and prestation, hobbies, and skill. So what's the inside of the demographics? There is the age, countries, education, status, and occupation. And the goals here is providing apps that can pay parking fee, providing apps that can automatically validate and book the parking place. And the motivation here is convenient parking, a simple payment method, and easy to access. Of course, we have the first station here. The first station here is a payment method limitation and limited time for searching parking. And then the inconvenient parking location. So this guy has a hobbies, and hobbies is a fishing, music, and badminton. And his skill is a social network programming, software development, of course. So next, move to the B point, step 2 and 3, which means understanding the business function and principle of UI design. So what's the inside of this B point is there is a mental model for a payment. As you guys can see, there is a 4 method in this payment. First, the user register an account. So you register in your account. And then next one, the user scan the barcode to the portal. So which means you scan or you can show your barcode on the entry portal and use the entry barcode. And the next one is the user choose the payment method. Of course, there is only two payment method, which means there is a card payment and a QR payment. And the last one is the user receive the payment receipt, which means the payment receipt, it will be shown on your email or it's the digital receipt. All right, next we move to the B point as booking and payment. There is a lot here. I will explain one by one. So the user register an account, of course, like what I said before, and then the user inputs the data for a booking. So the user need to input the data. What's the inside of the input data is your customer, it's the name or your customer name and the vehicle type, and of course the vehicle plate. And the next one is the user choose the parking zone. Of course, what's the inside of the parking zone is parking location, parking date, parking time, and parking spot. So the user receives the booking barcode, which means the barcode it will show it on your phone. And then the user scan the booking barcode to the entry scanner. That's it. Place the machine on the portal gate. Is a scanning machine. And the next one, the user will slide the bar after they park in the park zone. I'm sorry. And then the next one is the user choose the payment method, like what I said before. There is only card payment and the QR payment. And the last one, of course, the user received the payment receipt that will be showing up on your phone or email. It's a digital receipt. All right, we move to the HTA. There's a point here. I will show you the payment first. So here, the 0 point is the customer pay the parking fee, and we with the first one, the customer register account, like what I said before, input your name, input your city, input the address, input the phone number, and of course, the last one, input your email. And then the second one is the customer scan barcode from a portal, which means it's the entry barcode when you will going to enter the portal gate. And the third one is customer choose the payment method. Of course, like what I said before, only two payment method is a card payment and a QR payment. If you want to choose the card payment, the inside of the card payment is choose the bank, your type bank, and then fill your card number. Okay, so if you want to use the QR payment, yeah, you can only show the QR code. That's it. And the last one is the customer receives the payment receipt, like what I said before. The receipt will be shown on your phone. It's a digital receipt. All right, next we move to the booking and payment. There is a lot of here, and like what I said before, we move to the point one first. Customer register an account, input the name, city, address, phone number, and of course the email. And then the customer input the booking data. The booking data is the customer name, the vehicle types, and the vehicle plate. And then choose the parking zone. What's inside of the parking zone is parking location, choose date, choose time, and parking spot. So the four 4 point is customer received booking barcode. They will pop up the booking barcode on your phone. And then 5, scan the barcode. All right, of course, you need to scan the barcode before you go into the entry portal gate. And 6 point is customer slide the bar on the app. And the 7 is choose the payment method, like what I said before, card payment or QR payment. And last one is, as always, the receipt on the digital payment. All right. We now move to the conceptual model here. I will, as you guys can see, there's a goals. The goals is customer can book the parking zone and pay the parking fee. There's a few point here. I will read it. For the first point is the user press sign up on the application, which means that's an input username on the text box and input city on the text box and input address on the text box, phone number on the text box, email on the text box. And after you do that, all of that, after finishing, press the button to sign up. All right, move to the point 2 is after signing up, the account will automatically log in into the application. And the third one, after the customer enters the application, the customer choose what vehicle he or she brings and what type their vehicle. And the 4 point is the customer press the parking menu to fill booking section by following the steps. Customer can pick the date and location for booking their parking spot. The inside of this parking spot is the fill in location. You just can tap under the image to select the parking area where you want to park your car. And then select the date, press the option label today or tomorrow. The point is here, the today or tomorrow, to choose the desired day for parking. Next, we move to the press time. Customer can press the time option when they want to book the parking zone if red, which means the parking zone is already full. I said again, red, which means the parking zone is already full. So press and choose park zone. Tap on the park zone to select the parking area where you want to park your car. So here's the point, it's park zone. And then fill the green bar for the number plate. Customer can enter the number plate according to their vehicle plan. And yeah, slide to confirm. They will confirm your booking. And then after the customer has filled in all the condition, the customer can slide right to the green bar to confirm the booking. All right, that's a point 4. Next, move to the point 5. The point 5 is after the customer has already made the booking, the customer can go to the parking portal and scan their barcode to the machine. If the customer has not yet filled out the booking form, customer can go to the parking portal and scan the barcode from the machine. All right, move to the point 6. The point 6 is after we show the barcode to the parking portal, we go straight to the location we have booked. And 7 is after we slide the right, after we slide to the right, it will immediately show the total payment and the place where we place the vehicles. And 8.8 is after we decide to leave the parking lot, we just slide the right at the end of the park and are immediately directed to the payment section. And 9, after that, we can see in the payment section what the nominal value, the flat price is determined if the car is 100K and the motorbike is 50K, the location where we park, the discounts available, and what method of the payment. The 10 point is if you pay using a bank, you must first input the bank type of card number. It will pop up section for fill information for a bank payment. And 11 is if you use a QR payment, the customer will get a QR code to make payment. It will be pop up section for the QR payment. For the 12th point is if the payment is successful, the customer will receive a payment receipt as proof of payment in their screen phone in the digital form. And the 13th point is if you have received a payment receipt, the customer can show it to the exit portal. And the last point is customer can exit to the gate portal. All right, that's all from the conceptual model. And then next we move to the C point. There's a step 4, which means that's a develop system menus and navigation scans. Here's for the scans. There's a text box here and a picture, and there's a text box of the name, gender, address, phone number, and of course your email. And here's for the scan and sign up text. There's a text sign up text box and the username text box, email, city, address, and a phone number, and sign up. And here's for the text box. You can fill the text box, and then the location. There's a location, fee, day, park zone, time, number plate, and the confirm. Here's for another scan. There's a picture, parking fee, slide to bar, and here's is the QR payment method. The rectangle here for scanning, and the balance here, and the flashlights, of course. And here's for the location, type vehicle, car, plate number, and so on. Here's the search bar, and here's the text box for the link on map, and it will be shown on the map here, and the wallet, and the balance it will be here, and option 1, option 2, and history. It kind of like a history payment. And then the last scan is here, the text box, and location transfer. There is a promo option wallet, and of course the payment. So that's all for me. And the step 5, it will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Okay, I want to explain about step 5. Develop system menu and navigation schemes and select the proper kind of window. There is a nine page in our project. The first one is cover, and the second one is register, and third one is login, and the fourth one is profile the customer, and 5 is parking page, 6 scan page, and 7 location page, 8 payment page, and 9 is wallet passenger page. One ever page, the page contains the several menu and icon that support and provide every feature improvement that we make. In implementation, user can tap or click icon or button, type and swipe the icon and image. Now I want to explain again step 6. There is a select proper interaction device. There is a three point input device touch and output device image and color, and then just device is nothing. And then topic A, there is a accessibility compliance considering user requirements. Select interaction device for PIM application on mobile device that completely with accessibility standard. And then the point B is user testing feedback. Conducting user testing with individually who have disabilities can provide valuable insight into which interaction device are most effective and favored by the target audience. Next, point 7, step choosing the proper screen-based control. There is a 9 topic again, 9 point. The first one is cover page, is to introduce application regarding parking booking and payment. And then second point is register page, to create an account so you can enter the login menu. And then the third page is login page, to enter account that was created previously. And under the fourth page is profile page to display the data the customer has filled in the previous register and replace the data if you want to change it. And page 6 is parking page to make booking at the destination. Page 7 is scan page to scan the parking entrance ticket. And then location page to display the current location. And then payment page to display how much we have to pay after waiting to leave the location. And then the last is wallet passenger page to display how much money we have in the application and payment history. And now we move to step 8, 9 and will explain by my friend.
So I'll be explaining step 8 and 9. And for the step 8 and 9 is composing the clear text and messages and providing the effective feedback, guidance, and assistance. So for this step is to provide a clear text and message so that it can be easily understood by the users. And we use a simple word, consistent terminology, readable font type, font color, font size, and keep the messages brief and to the point, and can be seen from our design below, which we will get in a moment. And for step 10 is internationalization and accessibility. And for our application, it's not only used in Indonesia, but also in other countries, and we use English as our language in our application. And for the step 11 and 12 is create meaningful graphics, icons, and images, and choose the proper colors. And graphic icons, image, and colors that we implement in our design have been adjusted according to our analysis, and it can be seen in our design. And so for the step 13 is organize and layout windows and page. So for the figure 1, you can see its account is for the users to registration. And for the figure 2 is for the login page. And it's for the figure 3 is the user's profile. And for figure 4 is the booking screenshot when we want to book. And for figure 5 is confirmation when you want to park. And figure 6 is the user's wallet. And for figure 7 is the payment page screenshot. And for figure 8 is when the payment has been confirmed. And for the last figure is the digital barcode that the application will send to the user. And for the step 14 is testing, and our application runs smoothly when we do the simulation. And for the next will be explained by Abdul.
Okay, now we're going to the conclusion. So this conclusion is demonstrate the importance of use-centered design principle in developing effective parking booking application. The booking online parking reservation system addresses key pain points identified by user, resulting in a more efficient and satisfactory booking process. The findings suggest that such system can significantly enhance user satisfaction and operational efficiency in parking management. Future work could explore integrating additional features such as real-time availability, updates, and navigation assistance to further enhance the system utility. And for our acknowledgement is we would like to acknowledge the contribution of our colleagues and peers whose discussion and suggestion have enriched this work. Their camaraderie and encouragement have been a constant source of motivation. Additionally, we are thankful to the various researchers and authors whose work has been referenced in this study. Their pioneering efforts in the field of parking management system have laid the foundation for this research. Finally, we are profoundly grateful to family and friends for their continuous encouragement and understanding. Their unwavering support has been a pillar of strength through this journey. Thank you all for your contribution and support. And last, as you can see here, is our reference.
Okay, now I want to show you our project about booking payment. And this is our flow. If application is already have. Now I will start the Figma. Okay, first, if customer already download the application, is the first page is this. And then if customer don't have account, just press join us and move to sign up page, and customer must input the username. For example, I type this and then the password. Don't forget to input the password and the email, the city, the address, and phone number. And then after the customer already input all the instruction, plus sign up, and then customer can input the username and password. It's like previous. And then press login to move to profile page. This is the profile page if the customer already input the data previously. And then for the booking, customer can press parking icon here. And then customer press 3 bar here to choose what type customer bring the vehicle. And then for here, we input car and motorcycle. And then customer can press search bar in here. For example, we put the car, and this is a type car. And then the application, it will be refill your car. And then after that, customer input the location where they don't want to book. And then it's automatically refill the price. And then now customer press time, and then after press the time, customer press a park zone to where the park location. And then after that, the customer input the plat number. And then after that, if customer already input all data, and then select to park, and then it's automatically